Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a overnight oats recipe that requires no cooking, no sugar, no dairy milk. It is a super easy recipe that can be used as a healthy breakfast idea for your busy mornings. So oats are a great addition to a weight loss diet as they are high in fiber and feel you full and provide steady energy, prevent blood sugar spikes and support digestion for better weight management. So, choosing overnight oat in breakfast can be a healthy option for weight loss purposes. So, let's start with the recipe. For this purpose, I am using half cup rolled oats in the recipe. I am adding a cup of water and will soak the oats for 15 minutes. Now you must be thinking why there is a need to soak oats before using. Soaking oats improve digestion, enhance nutrient absorption and gives them a softer creamier texture for a better eating experience. Next, I'll put the soaked oats in a strainer and rinse it under running water. Now, after that, I will put all the rinsed oats in a presentation dish. You can use a bowl as well. And now, next, I will spread it evenly all around the dish as you can see in the video. Now, I'll take a banana and mash it with the help of a fork. I have taken a ripened banana as you can see. Now I'll break it and just use a fork to mash it. I am using a ripe banana as it is more sweeter in taste as compared to the other banana. See, I am mashing it with the help of a fork. Now I will add the mashed banana into the oats dish and spread it. See, I am adding it and I give it a quick spread. Next I'll be adding 1 teaspoon chia seeds into it. Chia seeds aid weight management by keeping you feel fuller, boosting metabolism and supporting digestion with their high fiber and protein content. So, you must give these tiny ingredients a try for your weight loss journey. For sweetness purpose, I am adding a date into it. I will finally chop the date with the help of my hand, but instead you can use a knife as well to chop the date. I am adding it as a sweetener as well. I am chopping it, roughly chopping it with the help of my hand as you can see and spreading it into my oats and chia seeds dish. I will put the chunks here and next I am gonna make almond milk. Almond milk for this purpose I am taking 8 to 10 almonds and put them in a chopper. I am taking the almond with their skin, you can peel as well. Now I will add half glass of water into it, cover it and grind it for 1 to 2 minutes until I get a fine liquid. Now I will pour this blended almond milk in a glass. As you can see, I have got about 1 glass of almond milk that is ready to use. That is a homemade option. I am adding this almond milk into my oats dish. See, I am adding in and spreading it carefully all around the dish and giving it a quick mix. See, I am mixing it. Now I will add 1 by 4 teaspoon of cinnamon in it. I am using cinnamon powder. Cinnamon support weight loss by boosting metabolism and it regulate blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. So you must add it, also add a good flavor to your recipe. Now I will refrigerate it overnight. I am soaking some almonds for garnish as well. Now you can use other nuts as well for garnishing if you like other nuts, but I am using almond. So overnight soaks are ready to use as they are soaked perfectly. I am using this type of thickness, this sort of thickness. You can reduce your thickness or if you like thick or thin oats accordingly. Meanwhile, I have peeled the almonds and now I am gonna garnish the oats. Oats are ready to serve, just that they are need to be garnished and I will spread the almond all around. See, I am putting almond on all the oats, so they will give a good look. And almonds are very important in bone and muscle growth, so you should add in your diet. Overnight oat recipe is ready to serve. As you can see, yummy delicious recipe is ready to serve. And if you enjoyed my recipe, do comment and tell us about your precious feedback, as your comment is very important. So I always try to provide helpful videos for you, including tips on weight loss, fast and healthy breakfast recipes. Visit my channel Cafe Erum for more. And if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to leave a comment and share your thought with us, and like and share my channel and my videos, and subscribe my channel with bell button so you will be notified by my latest videos. Thank you for watching.